Well, while Hurricane Florence continues to head towards the East Coast, emergency management agencies plan to be prepared for anything that might happen. CBS 42 News reporter Connie Gasky live in Birmingham this morning. And Connie, one agency taking the opportunity to use Florence as a learning experience.
Yeah, I spent some time yesterday catching up with companies and organizations like the Best Western Plus Hotel where I am now, but I also talked to a variety of different agencies like the Jefferson County Emergency Management Agency. They don't really expect a significant severe impact here in central Alabama, but they say it's still going to be a very busy 2 weeks for them in spite of that. They're going to spend a lot of time watching what's going on along the East Coast to kind of see how things play out there. They're going to be watching as the storm approaches the coast. Whatever happens there, they say they can learn from it here. They'll be checking out messaging, logistics, communication, sheltering. They want to see how those things play out in other states. They'll take a look at that as the storm passes through.
We have so many good chances to learn here, and we would be remiss if we didn't. We hope that the impacts for them, for these 3 states involved, are minimal. But we will take a chance to learn.
That's different.
And they also plan to do some internal tests during this time just to make sure everything is working properly in case a storm hits here later on in this hurricane season. And as they prepare, you can prepare as well. You'll find out some of the advice that they give on how you can go ahead and start preparing for what might eventually happen later this hurricane season. That's coming up in the next half hour. Live in Birmingham, Connie Gasky, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.